how much should you actually spend on a printer for business cards? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Custom Business Cards by Bunny Badges. First up, we have the Custom Business Cards by Bunny Badges. At just $7.95, this option caught my attention because it boasts a 4.7-star rating from over 2,300 reviews. If you want personalized business cards that leave a lasting impression, this is worth a serious look. What sets Bunny Badges apart is the sheer ease of customization. Plus, the 16PT cardstock gives it a sturdy feel, making it look professional right off the bat. With options ranging from 50 to 10,000 cards, you can order just what you need without overcommitting. Now, some people have mentioned that the design interface can be a bit clunky at times. Here's the thing though, if you have a clear vision of what you want, it's manageable. But if you're someone who thrives on simplicity, this might frustrate you a bit. This is perfect for you if you're a small business owner or a freelancer looking for quality cards on a budget. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward design experience. For the price, this offers great value for your money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want to print at home without any hassle. Product number 2, Avery Clean Edge Printable Business Cards. Next, let's talk about the Avery Clean Edge Printable Business Cards. Priced at $8.52, this product has a rating of 4.6 stars from over 10,500 reviews, and it's a popular choice for good reason. If you're looking for a smooth, clean edge that makes your cards look professionally finished, this is definitely worth considering. This matters because first impressions count. You want your cards to look polished. Plus, they're optimized for inkjet printers, which means you'll get vibrant prints without worrying about jams or smudges. With 90 cards in a pack, you get enough to experiment with your designs. However, some users complained about the cards being a bit flimsy compared to thicker options. But the quality of the print and the ease of use tend to outweigh this concern for most. If you're printing your cards in small batches and want them to look top-notch, these are an excellent pick. This is perfect for creative professionals who often need to make quick updates to their cards. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavier and sturdier. Overall, they provide great value for the price. Now, if the idea of needing a thicker card bothered you, this next one has a heavier cardstock approach. Product number 3, Avery Printable Business Cards for Laser Printers. Coming in at number 3, we have another option from Avery, the printable business cards designed for laser printers, priced at $12.80. This one has a solid rating of 4.7 stars from 4,500 reviews, which says a lot. If you want cards that are reliable and easy to print at home, this is worth your attention. These cards feature sure feed technology, which means they're designed to prevent misalignments and jams while printing. This is a big deal because nothing is more annoying than a misprinted card after all your hard work. Plus, the micro-perforated edges allow for easy separation without tearing. Some users did mention that the white color might be a bit too plain for their taste. But honestly, that simplicity can work in your favor. It allows for more focus on your design rather than the card itself. This is perfect for anyone needing a professional finish without the need for a commercial printer. Skip this one if you prefer vibrant colors straight out of the box. For the price, these cards offer reliability and a good quality finish. Alright, if you want something even more budget-friendly, then this next one will catch your eye. Product number 4, Avery Printable Business Cards with Sure Feed Technology. Next up is the Avery Printable Business Cards with Sure Feed Technology, priced at just $2.59. This option has a fantastic 4.7-star rating from over 5,600 reviews, making it an incredible bargain. If you're looking for an affordable way to print high-quality cards at home, this is definitely worth a look. These cards are crafted from quality cardstock, ensuring they don't just feel nice in hand but also print beautifully. The Sure Feed technology minimizes print misalignments, which is crucial if you're printing multiple designs. It's a straightforward, no-fuss option that gets the job done, and with 100 cards in a pack, it's great for anyone trying to save costs. However, some users reported that the ink can smudge if not handled carefully. Here's the thing though, if you're cautious while handling your cards right after printing, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for students or small entrepreneurs who need a lot of cards without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something more robust for professional networking events. For the cost, you really can't beat this deal. Now, if you want a slightly larger quantity, stick around for the final product that might just suit you perfectly. Product number 5. Avery Printable Business Cards 250 Pack. Finally, let's look at the Avery Printable Business Cards, a 250 pack option priced at $13.46. With a 4.7-star rating from 2,600 reviews, this one is definitely popular. If you're someone who needs a larger quantity without skimping on quality, this is a smart choice. The clean edges and professional finish will make sure your cards stand out in a crowd. A few users did point out that the price is slightly higher for this quantity compared to other bulk options. But honestly, the assurance of quality and reliability makes it worth every penny. This is perfect for small businesses or freelancers who need to print in larger batches. Skip this one if you only need a few cards and want to save money. Overall, it delivers great value for anyone needing a dependable printing solution. So there you have it. From the highly customizable bunny badges to the budget-friendly Avery options, each printer has its unique perks. Whether you're looking for quantity, quality, or convenience, there's something here for everyone. Happy printing!